In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete search history on YouTube. Clearing your YouTube history is a simple way to keep your recommendations fresh and protect a bit of your privacy, especially if you share a device with other people. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Make sure you're signed into the account whose history you want to clear. If you use more than one account, double check that the profile picture in the top right corner matches the account you're targeting. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your YouTube dashboard, also known as the YouTube homepage. Next, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is the main navigation panel, and it includes options like Home, Shorts, Subscriptions, and more. In that list, find and click on the option labeled History. When you click it, YouTube will open your history page, where you can see a timeline of the videos you've watched while logged into this account. On the right-hand side of this history page, you'll notice a few controls. One of them is a small bin or trash can icon, located above the option that says Pause Watch History. This icon is important because it leads to the controls for clearing your history. Move your cursor over to that bin icon and click it once. After you click the bin icon, a small menu or prompt will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Clear Watch History. This is the command that permanently removes your recorded watch activity from this account on this device. Go ahead and click on Clear Watch History. YouTube may briefly ask you to confirm that you really want to do this, because it can't be undone. Once you confirm, your watch history for this account will be deleted. This means your past watched videos will no longer appear in the history section, and your recommendations may gradually change as YouTube has less data about what you've watched recently. That's all you need to do. By going to your YouTube dashboard, opening history from the left-hand column, clicking the bin icon, and choosing Clear Watch History, you've successfully cleaned up your